This car was originally black. Somebody painted it, but I think if you, I think you can get to the black paint underneath this. I think the new owner is just going to get it running and restore it and maintain it, which I think is a great thing to do. You know, I grew up in the era of Pebble Beach where guys had tweezers and they were pulling pieces of grass out between the treads, you know, and everything had to be perfect. I like this new preservation sort of thing because you get to see and hear the car as it actually existed.